Steps to improve your Google AdWords CTR. Google's search engine is used by more than 1 billion people worldwide. Every second, it processes an average of 40,000 search queries, making it the ultimate powerhouse of information. Google capitalizes on its massive amounts of traffic through its widely used advertising service, Google AdWords. Essentially, Google AdWords gives companies like yours the opportunity to appear at the top of search results based on bidded keywords, creating high customer exposure. But you don't just want potential customers to see the ad and keep scrolling. You want them to click on it, be redirected to your website, and ultimately leave with a happy purchase. Yet despite its benefits, Google AdWords can be very expensive unless you optimize your click-through rate. To make sure you're getting the best value for your advertising dollar, T Software is here to help you increase your AdWords click-through rate. The rate at which targeted customers click on your ads is known as the click-through rate, or CTR for short. CTR is an indicator of how relevant people find your keywords and ads. The higher the CTR, the better your ads are performing, and Google prioritizes high-performing ads. Let's say that your competitor is paying Google AdWords $2 per click, and you are only paying $1 per click. If Google AdWords shows both your competitor's ad and yours to Google searchers 10 times, and your competitor's ad only generates 1 click while your ad attracts 5 clicks, then Google AdWords is going to start showing your ads before your competitors. Even though you are paying less than your competitor, Google makes more money from your ads since they charge advertisers on a per-click basis and your ads get more clicks. But as good as this is for Google, this is also excellent news for your company. You will pay less to advertise than your competitors and get VIP treatment from Google. So how can you optimize your click-through rate? The first step to increasing your CTR is to check which of your competitors are buying ads and what ad copy they are using. With SEMrush, you can copy and paste any URL or keyword and see every company buying ad spots. Let's say the keyword you use is SEO. Typing this into Google will bring up every company bidding on that keyword and the copy they are using. The ones at the top tend to have the highest click-through rate because Google wants to maximize its own revenue. The second step is to take the copy from the top ads and see if your company can create a better version. The third step is to make sure that your copy includes the keyword you are bidding on. If the keyword does not relate, then the user is less likely to find the copy relevant and click through to your website. The fourth step is to take advantage of day parting. Day parting means turning on your ads during specific times of the day that you know you will get active business and turning them off during the times when you know that business is slow. For example, if your business is the B2B niche, it wouldn't make sense to advertise at nighttime when you know that people are only going to be searching during work hours. Needless to say, if your ads are showing up at nighttime, chances are you are paying for clicks from people who are not your target customers. Last but not least, geo-target your ads. If you know that your target customers are only located in specific regions, you don't want to pay to show your ads to people outside of those zones. Because the ad is not relevant to them, they are unlikely to click on it. Remember that a drop in click-through rate will result in Google devaluing your ad and placing your competitors' ads above yours. Here's a personal story to illustrate the importance of geotagging. The other day, I was looking for a frozen yogurt shop. When I Googled it, I saw an ad for a frozen yogurt company that was 50 miles away. Do you think I clicked on the ad and traveled all the way there? Of course not. For that frozen yogurt shop, this meant that they were wasting their advertising budget on a customer who is never going to click on their ad. Whoever was running their ads was likely losing them a lot of money. Don't let your business make the same mistake. Follow these steps and your click-through rate will increase, you will pay less for your ads, and you will generate more sales.